Okay guys, so right now we're gonna paint all the truck parts. It's painting day. There's my dad. There's the little table we have with all the paint supplies on it. We got the filters on the air compressor and gun. Get the water out. And then there's my little paint setup. Nothing crazy. There's probably gonna get bugs in the paint and everything, but that's why you wet sand and buff. So yeah, hopefully, oh, the lighting. There we go. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut to some clips of me painting. Okay, so before I paint actually. Oh, it's not focusing. The lighting's, there we go. Before I do that, I have tack cloths over here. Gotta tack cloth everything so that the paint sticks well. So, got a tack cloth, my wheel fender flares, and then my grill, bumper, and side steps. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll cut to the painting. Okay, so a little update here. We got everything painted. As you can see, looks very nice. It's the color of my truck. We have not put the clear on yet, so it's like a flat gray. So here's the grill. Everybody wanted me to leave it black, but it's gonna look nice. This will stay black right here, but this is gonna be nice and paint match. So that's what the grill looks like. Here's the bumper and fender flares, the rest of them. I didn't have enough paint for this, so these are gonna have to wait, but these turned out all really nice. And now we gotta wait 30 minutes. Oh, lighting's bad again. We gotta wait 30 minutes until I can apply the clear coat, and it should look exactly like my truck, hopefully. Okay guys, so it's a new day. All the paint has dried. I'm looking at the fender flares and they look a bit light. They could have used an extra coat, so I think I'm gonna repaint those. But the grill turned out so nice. Look at this thing. I already got it installed. The lighting agrees. I paint matched it so it would blend in with the truck and not look like it was a tack-on piece, which, if you ask me, that looks pretty stinking good. But yeah, I got the lights back in. Haven't got them wired up yet, but I will here soon. But yeah, there's still some fitment issues, but should be able to bend all that out. I need to get my bumper on, but I gotta bend out the brackets first, but that looks good, if you ask me. So yeah, there's a little update on how the painting's going. There's my bumper sitting right there. It's all painted. We ran out of paint, so I think I already mentioned it. We ran out of paint, so I didn't do the side steps, but yeah, here's the old grill. Had to steal some parts off of it. And then there's a grill from my other truck project I had a while back. So yeah, the painting's done, and it turned out really nice, on the grill at least. Fender flares I want to redo, and then the bumper turned out really nice also, so yeah. That's it for this video. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the like button at the bottom. I don't know, you don't have to, but you should. But yeah, here's the truck. Like the way it turned out. Not done yet, but getting closer.